this video, I will show you how to use JBL app Equalizer. So in this right here, head over and click onto the search option and click onto the search bar and search in here for JBL. You can see in here JBL Portable as well as JBL headphones. In this case, you can click onto the install option right here and then wait for this to successfully install. Now, if you prefer to use the other JBL app, which is the JBL headphones, you can head over and then install that one as well. Now, in my case, I'll choose this portable one and click on open. Now, this will open in here this, and then just wait for this. Click onto this get started, accept the terms and agreement, and allow it to find your actual speaker. In this case, you can see that you can add products, you can group speakers together and create a party. And once you have done this, you can actually use those speakers and equalize them in order to give the best quality of audio for each users. So that's how I use JBL app Equalizer. Hope we help.